Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to make this fun activity for little ones. This activity will help kids learn about their feelings and how to express them. We're going to start out by cutting a bunch of little circles out of colored paper. Once you've cut out your circles, you're going to fold them in half. I stack them together so that I fold them exactly at the same place. After I fold them in half, I'm going to get some glue and I'm going to glue the circles together. I'll take one out, fold it in half, put glue on half of the circle. Then I'm going to take another one and glue it to the first one. I'm going to do this over and over until I've got all the circles glued. We're going to use this for the base of our activity. We're going to draw different feelings and emotions that our little ones might be feeling. Things that they need to work on or things that they need to learn how to express. So I'm going to draw a variety of faces. You can choose the ones that you need to work on. You can draw happy, sad, silly, angry, frustrated, surprised, any feeling or emotion or big emotion a child could be feeling. Once you've got them all glued together like this, you can start by drawing. I'm going to draw a couple of faces showing different feelings. It's very important to teach young children about feelings and emotions because these are abstract concepts that they might not understand. They might be dealing with some feelings and not know how to express them or not understand why they're feeling them. That's why it's very important to teach feelings to little ones. It might seem like something very natural that we feel and we can understand, but for little children, feelings are big and sometimes a little scary. You can label each feeling at the bottom of the face. That way the child will have a name for what they are feeling. I'm going to add one more circle on the outside of the faces. This is just to keep them together so that they don't fall apart. And it's also so I can write a label on it. I'm going to write feelings on the outside. This keeps it all put together so it's easier to use. Here are all the feelings that I drew. You can draw these feelings or add any other feelings that you might be working on with your little one. After that, I'm going to get some felt. Out of the felt, I'm going to cut a circle about the same size as the faces. And then I'm going to draw parts of the face. I'm going to draw some eyes, some big ones, some small ones, some surprised ones. I'm also going to draw some mouths showing feelings, happy faces, sad faces, surprised faces. I'm going to do most of it out of felt, but I'm also going to use some pipe cleaners. The pipe cleaners are perfect for the mouth and the eyebrows because they are easy to shape and the child can shape them as they need. They can make the mouth curve up or down depending if they're making a happy face or a sad face. Once you have all the pieces ready, you can give this to your child and start doing the activity together. Your little one can flip through the feeling faces and pick the face that represents how he's feeling at the moment. Or you can go through it and go through page by page and discuss each feeling. They can model the feeling with the felt face, and this is an opportunity to talk about feelings with your little one. Have your little one look at each face and tell you how they think that person is feeling. Then you can talk about the feeling. You could ask them, why do you think this person is scared? What makes you scared? What do you do when you're scared? Or you can ask them, why do you think this person is surprised? What kind of things make you surprised? Have you ever surprised someone? So you can use these faces to discuss these big emotions that your little ones might be feeling. It's very important to talk about these emotions when the child is not feeling them, because sometimes when a child is feeling upset or happy or angry, it's really hard for them to understand that emotion at that point or at that point of time. But if you talk to them when they are calm, it's easier to discuss these emotions, especially emotions like anger. Sometimes children will lash out, might even scream or cry because they are not quite sure how to express a particular emotion. So talking about anger before they are angry or when they are calm, you can find solutions to those outbursts. You can talk about things that make them angry and how to respond when feeling angry. Maybe you can give them suggestions. When you're feeling angry, instead of screaming or instead of kicking, let's talk about it. Let's find other ways to deal with that anger. Maybe we can go for a walk or sit in a calm down area. So that's why it's very important to talk about emotions before they arise. I hope your little ones enjoy this activity. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button so I can make more fun videos. Thank you!